In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make T-shirt mockups in Canva. This complete guide will take you through each step to ensure you can create visually appealing mockups with ease. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, these instructions are designed to help you develop an effective workflow and beautiful designs. Let's start by opening Canva on your preferred device. If you don't have an account, don't worry, signing up is simple and free. Once you're on the home page, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in T-shirt mockup and press enter to explore a wide range of templates that Canva offers. These templates are your starting point and can be customized as much or as little as you need. After selecting a template that suits your project, click on it to navigate to the main editing screen. This is your creative playground where you can modify every element of the template. You'll notice a variety of tools on the side panel, including options to add text, elements, photos, and more. This is where you can start personalizing your mockup. One important aspect is adding your own designs to the T-shirt. Upload your artwork by clicking on the Uploads option in the side panel. Once uploaded, simply drag the design onto the T-shirt area. You may need to resize or reposition it to get it looking just right. Be mindful to keep key design elements clear and centered on the mockup. Next, if you want to change the color of the T-shirt to better match your design, simply click on the T-shirt itself. A color palette will appear, allowing you to choose a shade that complements your artwork or gives an entirely different aesthetic to your mockup. This can be helpful for visualizing how your design will look on different shirt colors. After you're satisfied with your design placement and color choice, it's time to finalize the mockup. It's a good idea to take a step back and ensure that everything looks coherent and visually appealing. Check for any text alignment issues or design misplacements. Remember, your mockup is not just a design but a representation of a finished product. Lastly, download your mockup by clicking the Download button located at the top right of the screen. You'll have the option to select the file type that best suits your needs, whether it be PNG, JPEG, or even a PDF. Save it to your computer or device where it can be easily accessed or shared. And there you have it. You've successfully created a T-shirt mockup using Canva. With these skills, you can experiment with different designs and create unique mockups tailored to your specific project needs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!